Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is a Nissan Pathfinder. We feel like there is a misfire. I don't feel it now, but we just want to go and check if we can diagnose this car, if we can diagnose the engine and see if there is a diagnose. I gotta go by VIN number. 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. We just check what they call the transmission. We finished with the judder coat. Right now we try to communicate with the car to see if there is any misfire, and if there is a misfire, how bad it is, or how it is, or if there is no misfire at all. Okay, I'm gonna go to VIN, auto detect, Asian car. That's the VIN number. I say okay. It will decode it. Pathfinder R52 2015. I will say yes, North America. Diagnose, control unit, engine. I know there is no codes. This Pathfinder, it comes CVT, but the Pathfinder before this one, it has a big transmission, very big one, with a valve body and all this stuff on it. So they keep changing it from time to time. Read codes. I have no codes. So now, because there is no code, we want to go to do X-ray. X-ray is just to look inside the bones of the electronics if they are working good or not. So I'm going to go to not the special function, special data, input signal or all signals. I gotta choose all signals. From all signals, I will scroll down. Okay, now we're gonna go to something called misfire. I'm gonna go down. It's supposed to have misfire, and the misfire will show you which cylinder is misfire, if there is a misfire. Here is, you see, all those are even the air flow meter sensor. It show you how many is going, throttle, speed, exhaust temperature, intake. All this is what inside while you're driving. All those stuff are working up and down, mile per hour. Why I'm not getting any misfire on this car? Okay, go back. You go to main. This all signals. Why I'm not seeing the misfire data, which is very funny. Active test, special function. Okay, misfire count pass. This one, if there is anything in the past, it will tell us. You see now, this is gear in park or natural. Look here. You have like a random misfire. Cylinder number 8, number 5, look here, it have 10 count. Number 4, 1 count. Number 2, 1 count. Like 1, 4, and 6. 1, 4, and 6, they have a small misfire. This is in the past. So now I'm gonna escape this one. I wanna see real time. Real time, what we have. You say function is not supported for real time. It is not, it doesn't have real time, but when we look at on the past, what happened, the computer grabbed some, you see cylinder number 5, like 10 times, like small, we don't have too much. You see here, one cylinder number 1 is only happened 1 time. Cylinder number 2, 1 time. That is not considered too much, but the one that you see a little bit, it look like cylinder number 5. We cannot count on this one now. We are going to go back and leave it. Okay, if it's come back again or start getting worse, it will go more. like, and then we know that is before like 1 and 10. But other than that, it's okay for now. Just change your battery, and or tell them what the option. I don't want the battery go dead on you. Like here, you see ignition is off. Right now I have 12. Just after almost 30. Let me see 12. Let me crank it. As soon as you start it, it's still good, but when you leave it for a little while, it looks like it loses pressure or it loses volume. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.